Here's how to create a perfectly seamless looping video in CapCut PC. Start by placing your video clip on the timeline. Duplicate it and overlay the copy on a track above, starting a few seconds before the original clip ends. Select the duplicated clip. Go to the Video Basics settings and find the opacity option. At the very beginning of this duplicate, add an opacity keyframe and set it to 0. Then, move the playhead to just before the end of the original background clip and set the opacity to 100%. This creates a smooth crossfade. Next, select all clips, right-click, and choose Create Compound Clip. Trim a few seconds from the very start of this new compound clip. Move this small trimmed segment to the end of the main clip. On this ending segment, add an opacity keyframe at its start set to 0, and another just before its end set to 100%. Finally, select everything, create a final compound clip, and duplicate this final clip as many times as needed to extend your loop. Your video will now play in a continuous, seamless cycle.